Welcome to Unicrypto channel, a guide to the world of cryptocurrencies. Today, I would like to make a full review of the cryptocurrency exchange Get.io, as well as tell you how to earn passively without investing. This exchange was launched in 2013, and in 8 years of work it provided to be stable and reliable without any hacking or cracking, which is a rarity nowadays. Working with this exchange more than 3 years, I never had any problems with deposit or withdrawal. Now let's go to CoinMarketCap and see about their token there. Get.io ranks 7th with a rating of 7.4 and a trade volume of 1.4 billion with 1,196 coins and 2,108 trading pairs. This is a record number among the top 100 cryptocurrency exchange. Having such a large number of tokens, the exchange also has high liquidity, thanks to which you can quickly buy or sell your assets. And by the way, you don't need to have dozens of accounts at different exchanges to get the token you want. All the tokens are collected here at the Get.io exchange. In addition to convenience, it is also very safe. Next, let's move back to the exchange. I also want to show you how you register at Get.io. Registration here is as simple and convenient as possible. Username, email, password. At registration, each user receives 100 points and 5,500 USDT. How to use them and how to earn on it, I will now tell you. You can come in and register using my referral links, and each registered user gets 50% discount on commissions in spot trading and 40% discount in future trading. The platform is translated into 14 languages, which makes the site very convenient. And so, getting 5,500 USDT and 100 points for registering. You can spend the points to pay commissions. To earn more, to start with go and pass the KYC verification. Verification is very convenient and fast. I also recommend using all security methods to protect your account. I use Google Authentication, SMS code, and also set a password on the phone to enter the password every time I place a new buy or sell order. Once we have our USDT and points, we move on to the draws, tasks and bonuses section. This section is interesting and allows us to earn passive money. After we have been verified, we will get 1,000 USDT, and in total we already have 6,500 USDT. Fulfillment of other tasks in this section is rewarded with additional points. There is also a special counter in this section in the upper right corner of the screen, where you can collect 1 point daily. 1 point equals $1. With our USDT, we can earn passively. Let's go to Finance, Hodl and Earn and find here USDT, and the end of this list were 5%. Let's click on it. By signing up, now we can earn at an interest rate of 0.013% per day. This is about 80 cents. This of course is a small amount, but if we consider it as a long-term prospect, the amount will be much more pleasant. By the way, initial reaction expect for a couple of clicks is not required. In addition, the exchange provides other types of earnings. One of them in a startup. You can take part in cool startups that are launched by this exchange. The exchange analyzes them and puts orders to buy the startups. Generally, it is very profitable. I myself take part. I think it is important to buy from them, as they do not buy from them at all. As I know, they have a rule that the project must maintain the value of the token in the first hour of the first days after the start of trading. Several other exchanges had such a rule. I think that's the same for Gate. Moving on to another way to earn money is voting. There are new projects you can vote for, and when they are found on the platform you get free tokens, which is very cool. Go to the market sections, big data. It is a very handy section and very useful to do your own analytics on whether to buy or sell tokens and whether to enter into position. Remember, buy when the market is in panic and fear, and sell when all around is happy. Right now there is fear in the market, because people don't know where the market is going. There are also long and short positions. The market will go down in long position, the token will go up. At the bottom, there are the quiets, when you can see and find out about the token you are interested in. The trading section. Here you can find spot trading, margin trading, and so on. Well, the main ones I used here are spot, margin, and futures. In spot trading, you trade and influence the value of the coin. In futures trading, you don't influence the value, you just trade the paper. So please be careful, and if you are a beginner, I strongly advise against using futures and margin trading. Spot is suitable for investors who are learning and developing in this area. And so, let's move on to the section of spot trade. Here is a combined chart which is presented in the trade in view. They provide various elements for analytics. You can place orders taking into account the commission. You can also save on commissions in addition to points by using the Eternal GT token, which thus has its own development well and contributes to its distribution among users. Spot trade has two variants, Classic and Professional. Classic variant was originally discussed, but Professional one will be useful for regular traders, because it provides more precise and delicate diagnostics of currency on the market. So there are two variants are almost the same, but they are viewed from different angles, so to speak. Let us move on. Finance. I mostly use HODL and earn, but if you are interested in other section, I'm happy to wait for your comments. And so, here you can lock coins for a certain period of time in order to get a yield. For example, a token with a yield of 4% in 7 days. Those tokens which have a high yield are specialized with risk because they are less liquid and the token might fall in value at the time of blocking. So analyze carefully before investing. Next, in new section is copy trading. This is a new section. You can analyze the result and connect to it earning together with the author of this trading. Also, you can choose a certain pair with which you can or rather would like to trade. At the moment, this section is new to me, and if you want a detailed analysis of it, feel free to write in the comments. Next is the news section. Here you can communicate with other users and comment on various events taking place on the platform and much more. Also, the referral program allows you to earn up to 40% of your users' commissions, and you will also receive for each user $50 and 5,500 USDT, which begin trading. There is also an NFT box. You can get NFT of different rarity. Still be careful through it, as even here you can incur investment risks when opening a box. There is also a main draw for 10 million users with a prize pool of 0.65 bitcoins. For the first place, 30% of that amount, second place 20%, third 15%. From 4th to 10th place will share 15%, and 11th and final place will share 10,000 USDT. In addition, 2 users out of 50,000 new users can win 2 PlayStation 5 or $500 at random, up to 100,000 2 iPhones for $1,200, and after 150,000 2 MacBook Pro or $1,800. 10 million users will get 1,000 USDT, 1 OpenPunks NFT with SSR rarity, and a level 10 VIP for 1 year. To get the prize, the user must pass KYC, SMS verification, and do 14 days of trading volume over $100. Thanks for watching. I will leave all the links in the description. Also, follow my referral link to save on commissions.